Hi, I'm Seiji. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into the OG method of making bibimbap. Bibimbap is an iconic Korean rice dish loved by everyone. With our bibimbap kit, you can complete this classic dish with ease. Just add some fresh veggies, some beef, and eggs for your protein. First off, let's get the rice cooking to perfection. And cook all your veggies and meat separately to get the perfect flavor balance. Once everything is ready, it's time to build your bibimbap bowl. Start with a bed of fluffy rice and top it with all your favorite toppings. Add a drizzle of sesame oil and a dollop of gochujang for the real Korean kick. For the extra touch of finesse, sprinkle some sesame seed on top. Now, this is where things get exciting. Bibim in bibimbap means mix in Korean. So, let's bibim it.